I will show you how to preserve fresh plums for a longer period of time. I'll wash them first. I washed the plums and now I need clean and washed jars. I will pop out each plum with a toothpick. I put the pitted plum in a jar, and that's how I will process all the plums. Write to me in the comments from which country are you watching me? It's nice to know that we are watching each other all over the world. Do not fill the jars to the top. And this is how I will fill all the jars. I add 1 tablespoon of sugar to each jar. Sugar binds water molecules to itself and thus makes it unfavorable for the development of bacteria. Water that is saturated with sugar is weakly active. I need lemon juice. I will add a tablespoon of lemon juice to each jar. Botulism does not develop in an acidic environment. I will fill the jars with cold water to cover the plums. I will wipe the top of the jar. I close the jars with clean lids. I need a deeper pot. I put a cloth on the bottom of the pan. I put the jars in the pan. I pour cold water into the pot up to the height of the lid. I put the pan on the stove. I'll cover the pan. From the moment the water boils, it will be pasteurized for 20 minutes. Pasteurization is a process at 70 degrees Celsius. After 20 minutes, I remove the pan from the stove. I will leave the jars to cool gradually in the water. After that, I store them in a dark and cool place. If you like the recipe, leave me a heart in the comment. Thanks, friends.